Hey yo, before we start this video, I do want you to play the naming game. So if you got the first video right, the name was Miley. And this one, can you name this one? Let's see if you can get 2 out of 2. A lot of folks actually knew who Miley was, which was crazy. Alright, let's jump to the video. Today we're going to be looking at Squishmallows and looking at the most expensive ones in my collection. But first, we need to figure out how do we value what is expensive, right? So we're going to go to Mercari. We're going to sort from highest price to lowest price and look at what we have here. So you see some people, the highest price is going to be 2,000. Some squads that they're selling, which makes sense for a bundle, but for individual ones, I don't know how any would go up to $2,000. Like this boy, $2,000. Who's going to buy this? I have this Squishmallow. And I bought it for $4. So I don't know how you're gonna get $2,000 for it. Going down, looking at these, you know, this $2,000 one's not too bad. You get a Ivern, you get a Bellina, you get the alligator, you get Carol, the Christmas tree. That's still a lot. Don't spend that much. Don't buy any of these boys. You have the Beanie Baby here for some reason that's listed under Squishmallows. Look at this. Someone has a Fletcher at Walgreens that just came out for $1,000. You could buy it for $14 at Walgreens. People weren't even buying him out like crazy. You have Jay, the Blue Jay, for $1,000. That's crazy. Violet. I have Violet. Violet's not $1,000. Okay. Jack the Cat though. Jack the Cat can actually go up for $850. There's only 500 Jack the Cats made, I believe. Look, so one actually sold. See that? See this thing right here? There's only 500 of that cat. So I would understand why that one's so expensive. Someone actually was able to sell that, which is pretty cool. Like, look, they're selling like at that price, so that makes sense. Someone bought a platypus for 600. I mean, I don't have this, but that's insane. All right, going down more. Went back too far. Look, someone has Squishmallow Mermaid for $515. They weren't able to sell it for $600, so they did 15% off. I have the mermaid behind me. Philip the Frog, not that expensive. Someone bought Gordon for $500. I don't know about that. Yeah, I mean, some of these are actually selling for these prices, which is crazy. Jack the Cat is the only one I would understand to sell for this much. Cows sell for a lot too, I guess. For $480 with the baby. Squishville, oh my goodness, for $450? I opened this up on my channel. It is now $450. I bought this whole thing for $50, and you can still buy it for $50 on GameStop. Do not buy that. Yeah, dude. So Boba and Wendy for 400. I wouldn't do it, but some people will. Boba is a fan favorite. Going down, I have not seen this one. The Bigfoot Squishmallows are pretty expensive too, I guess. That one was sold. Boba for $380. This is Bernice. I have this. 4 of her actually, so that's crazy. Oh, the Squishmallow Fruit Squad, or not Fruit Squad, but the bundle for Food Squad. That was sold. Crazy. This is like ×5 the asking price of all these. I mean, you see what's out there. We're gonna look at my collection and let's see what I have and what they're being sold for on Mercari. So I think we can go scroll up. If it's anything like eBay, you can filter, right? Can I filter what's been sold? Anyways, so what we're gonna do is go through my collection and let's see what the highest resale values of them are. I'm not reselling them. I'm just gonna show you what Squishmallow collecting is like. But don't be a reseller. Don't be scalping for Squishmallows out there, okay? Buy what you enjoy, and if you enjoy a Squishmallow, you know, that's not that rare, by all means buy them for retail price. Don't go to Mercari and buy one for $200 because that's just giving scalpers more incentive to buy Squishmallows. But I mean, it's your money. Do what you must. I know Squishmallow hunting is hard. Me and my fiance, we go hunting every week, and it is hard. It is hard to find Squishmallows in the wild anymore. So yeah, let's jump to it.